Okay, I'm starting off my day with a losing match.
Finding match.
Oof, an okay throw.
What, bruh?
What, bruh? Can't even boost. Joystick. Again, followed by an okay throw while I fix my joystick.
King Kardashians, guys. Who loves King Kardashians? Well, if you do, please like and subscribe.
Joining match.
What's that? Joining match. Dude, who like Kim Kardashian? My controller is broken and I can barely move it. I'm not my controller, my joystick.
Big Mac Open the door. Your booty, Big Mac Open the door. Big Mac
Get off me.
Open the door. Big Mac Whopper.
What is this kid singing?
I don't know, but I already wanted to be on a different team.
Big cheeseburger with a Big Mac Whopper.
I swear if I hit this one entire match round, I'm honestly about to
Big
move.
Mac Whopper.
I'm already muting him. I don't care at this point.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper. Hamburger.
Yeah, I just muted him.
Big Mac Whopper.
I just singing Big Mac Whopper, bro.
Starting in.
Hamburger now. Hamburger, Big Mac cheeseburger, and hamburger, a cheeseburger.
3, 2.
No! They grabbed it.
Yo, you guys see this headbutter did? That's why I grabbed it, you monkey.
Right.
What the?
What up here?
You read?
Bro, come on, I couldn't
Friendly.
shoot it, like, come on. Yo, that's it. Left wing, that's hit it.
Oh my god, I can't even bend down.
Ooh, bend down, buddy.
Oh my god.
They're coming on to you. You gotta go?
You thought, you monkey.
Yeah.
You gotta go?
Oh my god,
Oh,
no
never
way,
mind,
this guy
it's
sucks.
Oh, let me get on you.
Look at my hand.
Alright, my hand.
It's on the back of your head. Hey, look behind you.
I don't know what that was. I don't know. That's how you read?
What are these clears,
Pac-Man,
bro?
right Pac-Man. Right Pac-Man?
You weren't even at Pac-Man.
You tried to do the TikTok.
You tried to
Clear
do
the
the
disc,
TikTok.
one time.
Didn't you have another thing that you read?
Oh my! I can't even grab the disc.
You hit your Shot her.
You know, you could have went to goal, teammate.
I'm a virgin.
Shot her alert. I'm gonna actually try and I'm gonna snap all your ankles
My dad
into
shot
two
himself in the
pieces.
head because I drove him crazy because he doesn't
Short
want me.
man.
You redhead.
Look at this.
Bro, really just cherry picked one time.
I just broke my controller.
You did?
The only game I can play now. I'm literally missing a joystick. This is the best game, first game on. You know?
I got this.
Just breaking the controller, the classic.
Oh, that's a pass!
Cherry picking!
Oh,
You guys are cherry picking!
yeah, I am.
I'll respect the shot.
Get
Yeah,
off of my side! Oh, you're my teammate, bro!
my joystick still works. Yo, it's not there.
Oh my.
Yes!
Throw it down.
Give it.
Can you have a chance, come on?
This is better than my old joystick.
No, you had so much time to throw it.
I wasn't holding onto it with my left hand and I'm left-handed.
Ew.
What the?
Shield.
Guys, there's too many people in goal.
12.
Oh my god. I love how my joystick's still working. Watch me break this.
Cover this.
Okay, you don't have to cover anything. My teammate doesn't like the pass. Whatever. Oh! Make that!
Teammate.
Make that!
Choke that thing, cuzzo.
That's nice, that's nice.
Can I have it?
Yeah, here.
Thank you.
Pass the dude. Go.
Thank you, sir.
The disc and I gave it to him. Why are you getting mad at me? He wanted it. I'm a nice man.
Yeah, you're a nice, you're a kind fellow.
Give it to me.
Yeah, well, you're mean.
Have the disc.
All I did was give you
Dang.
an easy pass for you to shoot at the me earlier.
My joystick, I have a bit of a joystick and it still works.
Like I said, bro.
I love my new bit of a joystick. I need to buy a different one.
Once again, I just set you up with an easy score.
Guys, he did that TikTok juke. He did that TikTok juke, guys. He did this.
My joystick is gone.
He did this juke, bro.
I'm gonna miss it. I'm put in a casket.
Yeah, you're right. My team doesn't really like me
Hey,
anyways. even though I'm
redhead.
the best.
I'll respect it. I'll respect the dream.
Shoulder. I'm right here.
Who's on me? I need red colors.
What?
Yeah, guys, give call out.
You're red.
Colors, bro.
I need passes.
It's the colors.
Well, that's not Ness.
Let's go.
Sorry, I would have passed Nest if I heard
I
it.
need
Oh
colors.
my god, that was a nice clear.
Bro, you
Where is the colors?
You're red.
I need colors, guys.
Yeah, Nest, you're red.
W colors, bro. W.
Becco. Crap, you're covered.
What is this?
It's fine.
Can I have the disc, bro?
Right here, Ness.
Oh, that was a great pass boot. And a great pass boot.
Oh my
There's
god.
two great
You
passes.
know,
Shoot that up that vertically.
Oh, my friend, the
Pass it, I guess.
tactic.
oh,
You got me
this
again?
is so good.
Uh-oh.
Right here.
No, you never passed through us.
I hit his head.
No, I
No,
stunned
you
him.
didn't. I grabbed it, but that's not.
Yeah, you grabbed it.
Pass up.
What the? I just let that in. I just let that in. What was that? I just watched you go in. What was it? Why did I watch you do that?
Get over here.
I'm gonna love them.
What the?
Yeah.
I don't know why I watch you guys do that.
Guys, what's the
I missed my
TikTok dude?
joystick.
Wait, what is this TikTok dude called again? What is this TikTok dude called again?
I have no clue.
The crazy TikTok dude?
Again,
Are you
no clue.
grabbing it?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll go down. Holy...
I think I'm gonna go to my
easy on me. I
stream.
just got a new Fortnite account.
Yeah. Oh, rude.
I just got a new Fortnite account. Go easy on me, bro.
He said go easy on him.
Go easy on me, bro. I just got the Fortnite account. Just go easy.
What the? He grabbed it!
Bro, I told you to go easy on me. It's got a new Fortnite account.
How was that? Oh,
Slam dunk. Easy.
You just grabbed it out of
No, I
my
just grabbed
hand.
it from your hand and scored it. All I did was like.
this is worse than I watched again.
I told you to go easy.
I should have left this guy muted.
Bro, I just got a new Echo account. Go easy on me, bro. I just got a Fortnite 2000 Epic account, bro. My name is Your Mom is Fat, bro. My butt.
That was the worst headbutt in history. What? What the? Yo, it rigged 3 quarters.
Take the three.
Take the 3. Take the 3. Go.
Even though I'm not even a goalie, bro. W saved.
Shut up.
Squeaker.
I had to mute him earlier in this round.
That guy actually thought he was gonna make that? Like, really?
Bro, in the squeaker that got, in the squeaker that said squeak, is that what a squeaker is?
Could you shut up? I mean, whoopsie.
Did the squeaker say squeak?
The squeaker says shut up.
You are a squeaker.